weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This is the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard Warning device for station WXK97 in Sudlersville, Maryland. For listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this are normally conducted by the National Weather Philadephia and Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties, independent cities, and marine areas in and near the upper Delmarva Peninsula, in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Caroline, Cecil, Dorchester, Hartford, Howard Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot counties, Baltimore City, and Chesapeake Bay north of Drum Point. The entire state of Delaware, including Delaware Bay, but not including the adjacent Atlantic coastal waters, in New Jersey, Cumberland, and Salem, and in Pennsylvania, Chester. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXK97 in Sudlersville, Maryland. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
The marine forecast.